welcome to another makeup tutorial. So today's makeup tutorial is going to be on this look. I really like it. The skin looks really good. I tried a new foundation. I like it. It looks cute. Okay, so it's on this look. I really hope you guys like it because I actually love how it looks. I was supposed to do something like really minimal, but this is what we got and I like it. Changed up my lip, put on my wig, you know. I went all out for you guys like I always do. I'm going to film another video after this, so I had to do my makeup, so I thought I'd film it anyway. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Okay you guys, so I'm going to fill in my brows really quickly. I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. This is in the shade Ash Brown, and I've really been loving this lately. I know I hated it in the beginning, but I've actually started to like it recently because it looks so good. So it's like a really thin pencil, and probably the reason why I hated it was because it was so expensive and like there's so little product in here, but I like it now. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige. I'm going to set my brows using the Make Me Brow by Essence. Using the same concealer, I'm going to prime my eyelid. I have to film a haul after this.
A what?
A haul. So I need the makeup done. But it should be like a really simple look, because if not, I'm gonna finish at 5. Right now.
So how do you know, Uzi, the framing is good?
I don't. I just hope for the best. For my eyelid, I'm gonna use the Tartelette palette. I'm gonna take this color here and put it in my crease. Actually, not gonna do anything on my lid.
I'm just stressed about your framing.
Don't. It all works out in the end. I need something pinkier. I'm gonna go into the ABH palette. I'm going to take Red Ochre. This one. So I'm just gonna take this color here and put that on my lid. Oh, that's bright. That's brighter than I expected. I'm going to go into the Toasted Tartelette palette. I'm going to take Fireside. That's this one here. Just put it on the outer corner. So So much for simple, you know. Okay, so for mascara, I'm going to use this Essence mascara. Okay, so while my lash glue dries up, I'm going to prime. I'll prime my face with the Essence You Better Work Gym Proof Primer. This has SPF 20 in it, so it's really good. Pretty blue color. Foundation, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is in the color Cacao. Look at that. What the? Just reap some off. Okay. I'm going to go in with my banana powder. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm going to use the LA Girl Glam palette. I'm going to go into this color here.
Bake.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure I'm multitasking.
Mm-hmm.
You can do it again.
I'm going to take this.
I don't know if it's in the video to make this video.
I'm going to take this blush
Antalya appearance feel.
and put that on. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's everything. I think. So I'm gonna set my face with the Rimmel Instafix and Go.
Put this.
Let me finish filming first.
When are you buying me? Boots.
Boots.
Yeah. Take a picture. You know.
What? For my lips, I'm gonna go into Oh Lady by MAC. Hopefully this works out. Oh, that looks cute. Okay, that's a lot. Do you like this look? Do you like this look? For this look? Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go do my hair. And by do my hair, I mean I'm gonna go put on my hair. And then I'll be back to outro you. Okay guys, so that is the end of this makeup tutorial. I was going for something simple and chilled, and obviously I did not accomplish that, but I like how it turned out. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You can check me out on all my social media platforms. They will all be linked down below. You can also check out my Facebook page. If you're on Facebook a lot, then all my videos just get sent to your Facebook feed. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.